Good morning. I am very glad to share this judgment for the lawyers, practicing lawyers, criminal side practitioners, because this is socio-economical cases, domestic violence act. The women were subject to cruelty, economical abuses, what not, mental harassment, so many things. You must read this judgment very carefully. How the Delhi High Court has come to a rescue of a woman by giving a ratio, important ratio under Domestic Violence Act. AR 2026, Delhi 37. AR 2026, Delhi 37. Mohar Singh versus Srimati Ram Devi. They have discussed about section 3, subclass 4, B, C, 20 of the Domestic Violence Act. Actually, what had happened, Mohar Singh married Rama Devi, begotten 3 sons and 2 daughters. Thereafter, he was having huge income, houses. At the time of marriage, the woman was staying there at the place. But what had happened, thereafter, he mentally, physically abused her. He was a drunkard. He sold his house, which drove the woman from the house. So she filed the Domestic Violence Act. The lower court unfortunately dismissed all the claims, stating that physical and mental abuse was not proved, economic abuse was not proved. But when the woman went to district session judge has validly appreciated the evidence and come to the rescue of the woman, set aside the lower court judgment and directed to pay monthly maintenance. The problem was, the question was raised before the Delhi High Court was, what will be the economic abuse? They simply say, you see, husband admittedly sold sharehold household in which wife had resided during the subsistence of marriage. He neither provided her with alternative accommodation nor paid any portion of sale proceeds. Such conduct squarely constitutes economic abuse. Mere assertion by the husband regarding wife's alleged independent income without documentary proof or corroborative evidence cannot be the basis to deny her maintenance. Bold statement made for the first time in cross-examination do not discharge the burden of proof. Further, husband failed to dislocate utilization of substantial sale proceeds of share household and did not specifically deny engagement in income generating activities. Adverse inference regarding his earning capacity was drawn. Order directing payment of amounts toward maintenance and residential requirement was proper. This was the judgment. They have categorically discussed at paragraph 12 about what is economic abuse. Economic abuse includes deprivation of financial or economic resources to which agreed woman is entitled, including maintenance and residence. Alienation or disposal of assets, property in which she has an interest on which she is entitled to use. Restrict or prohibiting continued access to shared household or other resources. These 3 important aspects has been discussed by the judge. So, what to do? You have to go through the entirety of judgment and keep this file on record, and whenever you defend domestic violence case, try to use your intelligence to get over this directing the husband to produce certain substantial evidence. If you are prosecuting for the woman, destitute woman, domestic violence victims, you must keep this judgment and argue before the court that she is entitled for maintenance as well as economic abuse under section 12. These things are most important. We have to read and read and read so that we can able to substantiate our argument very accurately before the courts. I hope you understand. Best